My affectionate nickname, Rough Diamond, didn't come out of nowhere. I'm proud to bring productions to life from nothing. I can unfold like no other, for versatile in every dimension. My character is defined by cutting-edge innovation, which may demand expertise, yet all my strengths are driven by one clear purpose: to captivate guests, move them to laughter, or gently invite reflection. I can be serene and focused, but I'm just as capable of going full throttle. I embody both, the spirit of the night and the warmth of the morning sun.